Good morning. Happy Wednesday. The impeachment of the president is the impeachment of a president who is no longer the president when there is no Chief Justice presiding and etc. is different, in my estimation, than the impeachment of the president for a non-crime. The question was raised in the first impeachment proceeding against Trump of whether or not it actually has to be a crime that you impeach the president over. And in my estimation at that time was that despite what the Constitution says, it does not have to be a crime. You can literally impeach a president, in my estimation, for anything and everything that the House believes you can impeach a president on. And the Senate can convict a president for anything and everything that the House impeaches the president on. Because there is no method of judicial review. You can't sue to get unimpeached. You can't appeal to the Supreme Court because it's not a judicial proceeding per se. It is a political proceeding. It's a political question. But this impeachment of a president can and most certainly will be the subject of judicial review should Trump ever decide to run again. And the reason for that is very simple. The only point of impeaching Trump at this stage of the game is to bar him from being able to run again, disqualify him from office. And that is one of the things that they can do with impeachment. With impeachment, if he's convicted for it, they can remove him from office and they can disqualify him from office so he can't run again. Now, when he runs again, if he should in fact run again, which I believe he will, at least at this point of the game, then the Democrats are going to say, if they're successful with their impeachment, which I don't believe they will be, the Democrats will say he's disqualified from office. And then it's going to go to the courts. And then the courts are going to have a chance to review the process and the Constitution by which the Democrats arrived at their impeachment of a president. And the court is going to say, well, no, because of the language of the Constitution being very specific and having a very specific procedure by which the president is removed, not a president, requiring the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court to preside over the Senate trial, and etc. And the court is going to say, my good sirs, in the Senate and in the House, and madams, you have misinterpreted, misapplied, and abused the Constitution. And Mr. Trump is not, therefore, disqualified. And your bill of attainder has failed. So that is, in my estimation, the difference between the first impeachment of the president and the second subsequent impeachment of a president. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.